very warm welcome to RefLimps. My name is Farooq Hussain, and in this hands-on video tutorial, we will learn how we can download and install Calibre eBooks management on Windows. And here we will try Calibre current release, that is 9.10. And prior we have already installed Calibre 6, Calibre 7. So you can have those video if you want to learn how we can install the old version. And so let us try Calibre 9.10 and see what's actually new here. So we just need to write Calibre ebook or Calibre ebooks management on your web browser, and there you will see the very first link and on download button, so you can actually download through on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and portable. And also you can try with Android and iOS. So we just go with Windows, and here we have the Calibre Windows 9.10.0 on 64-bit of Windows. Let me zoom this. Okay, so you can also try alternate downloads location if you want to install some old version. And let us see what's actually new here. This is actually the change log, and you can read more about major new features. And the most important, they have actually updated the content server. So we will see what actually they have updated their content server. A new modern interface with a sidebar to easy navigate. It's available with 9.10. If you want to learn more about content server and how actually we operate Calibre, so there's a video available on my channel, and you can actually have that video. And there you will see the full text search, new card base view of full text search results with view book covers. Okay, so you can have this a new book shelf view with your books arranged on shelves showing their spines. Okay, they have also add this viewers add an added book. Okay, they also provide the facility to viewers added book button to view viewers control to added the current book. We will see this. Allow asking AI questions about any book in your Calibre library. Right click the view button and choose discuss selected books with AI. AI actually enable with the Calibre ebooks management. Okay, so also provide to viewers the same thing, and the much improved Kobo support, connect to folder, added books, new tools to create an audio overlay EPUB files. Okay. PDF input, ebooks viewers, so you can. So let us install it. First, we need to download this, and when you click on this button, it will start downloading. So there, and it will take some time to download. So I have already downloaded this. So you can see this. It's 9.10.0. So I stop this, and when you click on this, it will start installing. Okay, so there I need to accept this and install. Allow, yes. There you can see it's icon available. Now it has actually finished the installer, and we can finish this and we can launch it. Let's see what's new here. And it will load the Calibre 9 here. So you can see this is for the very first time. And this library is actually from my old version that I have installed here. But you can actually create your new library if you want to create a new library, where you can provide the location. You can actually select the folder. For example, you want to create here, select this. You can select this folder or any folder where you want to actually create the library. Let's suppose we create on desktop, so we can select this, and you can create a new empty library at the location, move the current library to the new location, use a previous existing library, add the chosen new location, copy structure from the current library. But we don't want to create a new library already there. We can add books here. And if you want to learn how we can add books, how we can edit metadata, and all the operations about the Calibre ebooks management in quite details, so there's a video available on my channel, so you can have this. That video is quite detailed video. Here just we overview. We add few books here. Let me add 4 books here. And remember, these books must be copyright if you share through the content server. For your personal use, that's fine. You can have them as it is, and you can edit metadata, and you can edit one by one, like this one. Whatever the book you selected, so you can edit metadata there. But if you want to work on a bulk, so you can actually edit metadata in bulk. You can edit metadata in bulk. What actually you can edit here? So title, author, series, so you can sort them like as it is, in which way you want to show them. Actually take the surname first and then the uh, first and the middle name, the author. You can add more tags here. This is the Python by default, so you can add more tags there. Search, you can provide the rating there. You can actually download the cover page there. You can even generate the cover page already there. And even you can download the metadata from the supported libraries. This book has some problem, maybe that metadata is not available there. Okay, so this way you can actually edit the metadata. And this one and this one, convert books. Okay, you can actually convert this book, view this one. Okay, we have not selected any book. Where the books? Where my books? Okay, we have 4 books here. Okay, I don't know where actually we are. Okay, so you can actually donate calibers, you can fetch news, you can remove books, you can change your library, save to disk, and content server. That's actually a new feature there, so we can actually see what actually connect to the folders, start content server, and you can view. So it will automatically take my IP. You can see it's 192.160.0.108 and port, and you can actually stop this, or you can visit the in browser and actually go continue reading. I continue reference library. This is actually these are the books, and you can see this is actually site navigation, so you can actually read this book and download this book. Next book you can actually have. Next one, can this one actually added metadata of this book. Tab the field you want to add it. Apply changes. Okay, so if you're not logging or if you're not allowed, you cannot actually change it. You must have the username, the password, so you can actually change. That's a good feature. Delete this book, okay? Are you sure? This will not work. I mean, these options not work with the unknown user, or maybe administrator required here. Search books. So you can search with authors, language, series, format, publishers, rating, news. Just exploring the new thing on the content server. This one is the new one. Okay, so this way we can download and install the Calibre eBooks management. It's quite easy and it's very nice software. I mean, it's very wonderful software to create an ebook library, and we can easily create an ebooks library, and it's actually developed by with Goel. So you can try this, and if you want to learn more about Calibre, so you can have those videos uh, on my channel. I'll share the links of those videos. But this video is just to install the Calibre current version on Windows. So keep watching reference and take care yourself. My name is Farooq Hussain and you are watching Raflim.